Well, a local children's hospital has become the beneficiary of an enormous gift that far eclipses any previous donation.
The $50 million donation comes from a businessman with no ties to Akron at all. Fox 8's Dave Nethers joining us now live with more about the gift and what it will help to do. Dave.
Right. Yeah, just an amazing gift from a Rochester, New York businessman and philanthropist, a billionaire who wants to make it his legacy to build the collaboration, a working collaboration between children's hospitals, and is willing to use his personal wealth to make that happen.
I don't know if people realize when you work in a children's hospital how nice it is and how good it makes you feel to know that someone really believes in your mission.
For Akron Children's Hospital, the generosity of donations has always helped fulfill what they see as their mission.
Kids and families need social work, they need transportation, they need food, and many of those services just aren't paid for by insurance companies or the government.
To date, the hospital's largest single donation has been a gift of $10 million. But Rochester, New York-based businessman Tom Golisano has now far eclipsed that with a $50 million personal, unrestricted gift. Golisano in October introducing the first 10 children's hospitals to become a part of his Children's Hospital Alliance.
They can share best practices, they can share purchasing, they can share knowledge about all kinds of technical advances.
The alliance now growing with a $40 million contribution to Dayton Children's Hospital, and with his $50 million contribution, Akron Children's Hospital becomes the 15th facility in his partnership, planning to expand its cancer center and more.
We're going to use it to improve access to behavioral health care in Southeast Ohio and other underserved communities in Ohio. We have a partnership with the Boys and Girls Club of Northeast Ohio to bring primary care services to underserved communities.
The Golisano Children's Alliance is a first of its kind collaboration between children's hospitals that bear the Golisano name, dedicated to elevating pediatric care by expanding services, strengthening collaboration, and ensuring that children have access to the highest quality medical attention close to home.
I think he sees a real opportunity to sort of define his legacy as working with a group of very dedicated, committed children's hospitals to find ways to improve outcomes in children's care and pediatric medicine.
Actually, when he introduced the first 10 of these, Mr. Golisano last October became emotionally overwhelmed with this collaboration, and as part of the agreement here, the Akron Children's Hospital will now also rename its Akron campus here the Akron Children Golisano Campus.
It's certainly reasonable to do that, given the enormity of this gift. Were administrators stunned by this, Dave? Did they know something like this might be coming?
No, they didn't. Golisano has no relationship whatsoever to Akron, just a passion for children's hospitals. The first they learned about it was when they were notified about 6 months ago.
Wow, and I'm sure this donation is going to go so far. Dave Nethers live for us in Akron. Dave, thank you.